In this video, we're going to build smart enemy AI for our mobile tank game in Unity. This enemy can detect and avoid obstacles, find the best path to reach the player, and stop automatically at a specific distance. In the next part, we'll make the enemy shoot, but for now, let's focus on movement and pathfinding. Let's get started. Step 1. Add NavMesh Surface to the scene. First, we go to the top menu, Game Object, AI. NavMesh Surface, add the component to the scene. Then select the ENV object, the one that includes your ground, mountains, trees, etc. Check the static checkbox to mark it as non-moving. Unity will ask if you want to apply it to all child objects. Hit Yes. Step 2. Create a custom layer for the environment. Let's make sure Unity only bakes navigation for the environment objects. Create a new layer called env. Assign it to your env game object. Now go back to the NavMesh Surface component. Under Include Layers, select only the env layer. This tells Unity, only bake NavMesh for this layer. Click Bake. And we're done with the environment. Step 3. Prepare the enemy for navigation. Now open the enemy prefab. Mine is called Enemy. Add these components. Rigid body and enable is kinematic. NavMesh Agent. This controls the movement. Important tip. Set the base offset of the NavMesh Agent to 2. At 0, the tank sinks into the ground. Step 4. Create the AI script. Create a new CSharp script named Enemy AI Pathfinder.cs. Here's the full code. Then assign the script to the enemy prefab and drag your player, tank into the player field in the inspector. Step 5. Final test. Now, let's test it. The enemy won't move at first. As soon as you get close, within the detection range, it starts moving. It automatically avoids obstacles using the baked NavMesh. When it reaches the stop distance, it stops. It also rotates to face the player, ready to shoot in the next tutorial. It's working. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.